from tajmotormedics. I've got an Alfa Romeo MiTo here on a 2012 plate. I just done a position lamp on this parking light, you can call it, or a daytime running lamp on the driver's side front. And I did mention in the video that the passenger side front headlight was slightly dimmer, and I know the reason why now. I've replaced the bulb already, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. If you look at the wall now, as you can see, the light is quite dim on this side here, right? That one's pretty good. But if I get to the back of the headlight on this one, I can't show you the space here because of the way the battery is fitted. But if I get my hands in there, sorry, like this, and then if you look onto the wall, just covering the light. If you look onto, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change the position of the bulb. The way whoever fitted it, they fitted it wrong. So I'm just going to change the position of the bulb and then put it back together. You can already see it's gone much better now with the lighting. That's it. So that's what it is. The other thing you've got here, the lights are quite dirty. So hence that's why you've not got enough beam image coming out of there, because the inside lens may be dirty as well. So I'm going to advise the customer about that one anyway. But there's nothing else wrong on this side. Now to see how to do the bulb, look on the back there, there's a cover. I'm going to switch the lights off because I don't want to kill the battery. Right, now it is quite a simple procedure on this one. So what you do, twist it to your maybe left, and then take the bulb out. That's basically the bulb. So the way the bulb is sitting as well, you see that little gap there? So it's a H7 bulb, which you can find in the description as well. That's how the bulb goes. When you take it out, just remember how you take it out. That's how you put it back in as well. So I'm going to slot it in the same position and then turn it to my right. That's now locked. We can still see the light, so make sure it's still good. You can still see now on the front, it's still better. That's all it was. You just got to make sure how you take the bulb out, that's how you put it back in as well. Just remember that bit there. Everything else is nice and easy. Now if you did want more space on that side, all you do, undo the battery a little bit, push it backwards, and then you can get your hand in there and you get a much clearer view. Or get a mirror and see how the bulb is sitting first in the mirror, and then work accordingly and use your hands like your eyes or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, so if this video was useful to you, please do like and share where possible. I'm sure there's loads of Alfa Romeos out there, and you know, share it on the platform. That'd be brilliant. And there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.